Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of Command Your Confidence. And I am back after being gone for 1 year. Yes, I have been busy. I have another business that I do, and it's been really picking up, so I haven't had a chance to create any content, but I made it my goal this year to kind of get this channel going and just give you some great knowledge that will help you all just level up in life and challenge yourself to be great and overcome certain obstacles in your life. And so I'm excited to be back, and today we're gonna talk about just challenging yourself, because during this time that I've been away not doing this content, I really thought hey, I have achieved everything I want, but I noticed when I've gone through certain situations that I still experience setbacks. There's still things that I gotta learn. There are still things that I was holding on to. And there's more challenges we have to make for ourselves if you want to grow, because when you challenge yourself to kind of solve some of the fears, challenge yourself to step out of your comfort zone, challenge yourself when you say you're going to do something, do it. When you set a goal for your business, you're going to go out there and achieve it no matter what shit that you face while doing it. And even when you're out there just trying to get, socialize, be social with other people, and you're maybe afraid, you don't like who you are and everything, and you're worried about being judged by others. You got to challenge yourself to do that. So that's all you got to do. So let's give you some tips today about how you can challenge yourself to be great. And before I go into the show, please subscribe below and offer a free coaching session to help you work on your mindset, your goals. Just if you want to become good with women, if you want to start a business, if you're trying to, just kind of be great in life, I'm offering coaching for that. So sign up today. I'll put a link below in the description for a free consultation, and let's get rolling, guys. So what would you say is like a challenge? What is it that you got to challenge yourself to do to be great? What is it that is keeping you from wanting to have the success in life? What fears are holding you back? What obstacles do you have to face in order to get to where you want to be in life? Have some mental clarity on that. Write it down and actually act upon it. Don't sit around and not take action, because you won't be getting anywhere with that. You have to go out there, and you have to be willing to push through and kick fear in the ass if you want to be able to get ahead in life. And you got to deal with all the setbacks that you face, deal with all the the criticisms from other people, deal with that inner voice that is keeping you from wanting you to move forward, that's telling you that you can't do it. And I realize I've gotten frustrated sometimes, and I'm just like, shit, I want to give up, I'm just tired of it, I've had it. But the thing is, though, I push through all the resistance, and that's what you got to do. You got to shut off the mental voice in your head that's saying that you're not good enough, that people are not gonna like what it is you're doing, or you can't let what other people tell you you're no good. You still got to push forward and just kick all that bullshit in the butt and move forward. And when you can do that and challenge yourself to do that, you will get one step ahead towards a goal, one step ahead towards being the person that you want to be, one step ahead to becoming more confident. How do you deal with resistance? Because when you want to challenge yourself, you're going to face resistance from yourself and the outside world. So what is it that you need to do in order to challenge yourself to be great? Well, number one, you got to write these things that you need to do, that you need to challenge yourself on, and set small actions for yourself. And when you can do that, you can set those small goals that are not so difficult to achieve. It's not going to be so hard for you to do it. You're just not going to be like, oh, this is a lot of work. Secondly, every time that you say you can't do it, or you're worried about what others think, you just got to go ahead and let go of that thought and just continue to take the action. Because if you let your negative mindset hold you back, you're not going to take any action, and therefore you're not going to get anywhere. Finally, you can hire a mentor, and a mentor will kind of hold you accountable for what it is you need to do to achieve those challenges and deal with the mindsets that you have. And like I said, guys, I offer a free coaching session, so I'll put in the link below. So just feel free to click on the link, then sign up, and we'll set up a time to talk. And then we'll also do some, a free roadmap to help you get ahead to wherever it is you want to be with your goals, whether it be in business, dating, just becoming more confident, more social. So don't forget that, but you definitely want to have a coach that will hold you accountable, so you can just challenge you to become your great self, and also call you out when you're not doing what it is you need to do to become successful, when you're letting your fears hold you back. So in conclusion, you have to figure out how you want to challenge yourself to be great, and not let the fear hold you back, not let all the work hold you back. You all have the potential to be great. You all have the potential to become who you want to be, to have a confident mindset, to create whatever it is you want for yourself in life. You just got to go out there and do it and challenge yourself. So in the description and the comments below, write what you're going to do to challenge yourself this year to become great, and think about also what you need to do to become successful, to overcome some of the challenges you face, to challenge yourself to be great. And when you are working on those challenges, what challenges in yourself do you have to overcome? So think about that, set up a roadmap, and keep kicking butt this year, and we'll see you on the next show.